Martha Stewart's 30 kitchen skills to know before you're 30, pie crust. Grab your food processor. Martha is telling us to add in 1.5 cups of flour. This is spoon and leveled already. Half a teaspoon of sugar and salt. And butter. I like to cut this up and then pop it in the freezer just a few minutes before I'm even going to use it, so then I know it'll stay nice and cold, because cold butter is what makes a nice flaky crust. Pulse this until a coarse meal is formed. What I also like to do before I start is get water and put ice cubes in it, so I know this water is ice cold. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of this. Prep your work surface. I like to use a pastry cloth sprinkled with a little bit of flour. I love these. Let's pour it out. This is not the recipe I use typically, so we'll see. I have my own technique that I like. I actually like to add a little bit of vinegar. I think it adds a nice flaky texture also. Thing really important, we don't want to over mix this, so just until it's combined. Once you have a nice disc, we'll wrap this up. Refrigerate this for at least 1 hour, very important. It's been an hour, so let's roll it up. If you don't have a pastry cloth, make sure you use wax paper with flour on top of it. Form this into about a 14-inch circle. A few different ways you can roll your dough. This is how I like to do it. I like to roll it with my rolling pin. Easy transfer. I have a 9-inch pie dish. Use scissors to trim. There you have it, Martha Stewart's pie crust.